It's a no-brainer that Wingstop is getting in on the chicken sandwich wars, but with its own twist. The restaurant chain is offering up to 12 flavors of sandwiches, ranging from lemon pepper to mango habanero. We have the sandwiches here with us on set, as you can see right there, as well as Wingstop CEO Michael Skipworth. Michael, I wish you were here to have some of these sandwiches, so I don't eat them all. Take us through this strategy. This is not what we have seen from a lot of your competitors. Why are you going so bold here?
Brian, our business was hit with the perfect storm this year in second quarter, and we had record inflation. We had gas prices soar above $4, and we were lapping really strong stimulus from the prior year. And we at Wingstop have a few unique levers that we could pull. We expanded our delivery provider base to launch Uber Eats nationally. And then in addition to that, this week we launched Chicken Sandwich. And you can go around to many restaurants and you can see you have a plain sandwich or a spicy. At Wingstop, we saw an opportunity for us to lean into our unique and bold, distinctive flavors and do chicken sandwiches a little bit differently.
Okay, so I got the mild in my hand. Brian has the lemon pepper chicken sandwich.
I'm having a moment. Michael, I'm supposed to ask you questions. I really don't want to. No offense. I mean, I can't.
I got a question for you, Michael. When we think about the chicken sandwich wars, I mean, I've frequently said that the chicken sandwich wars are over, are done. They've had a clear winner. But something that's also entered into this kind of mind frame is just about whether there is turnover in taste for the type of chicken sandwich that consumers are having, and if they want to try different ones, and where you see an opportunity there.
That's a great question, Brad, and that's actually how guests engage with our brand. We're known for flavor. Sure, wings and Wingstop it's in our name, but really it's about that bold, unique flavor experience, that indulgent occasion. And so we really think there's an opportunity for us to broaden the audience base and bring in new guests, new occasions. And what we saw in our test this summer was highly incremental occasions with our chicken sandwich. And we saw it mix really nicely over the lunch day part. And so we think this is a meaningful growth driver for our brand and really sets us up nicely to deliver our 19th consecutive year of same-store sales growth.
Michael, these are, making a chicken sandwich is not like making a wing per se. What type of, does it bring any chaos to making in the restaurant operations?
We spent a lot of time on innovating this and getting it right. And what we were able to do is get the cook time for this product to actually be the exact same as our boneless wings today. And so it's not disruptive from an operations perspective. We added a conveyor toaster on the make line. And so we really only added 3 SKUs to our business, and it hasn't been disruptive to our operations at all, and it fits very nicely.
I got to ask, when you're going through the chicken sandwich testing, how do you get it takes a lot to get a chicken sandwich right. It can't be too dry. It's got to be good moist, good density and stuff. So do you test your competitors' chicken sandwiches before you come out with your own?
We definitely looked at the competitive set, benchmarked our product, but really we know that we're the flavor experts here at Wingstop, and we know that we can, when we enter something like a chicken sandwich, we can do it in a very bold and distinctive way and set ourselves apart from the competitive landscape. And I think you're experiencing that firsthand as you try the product this morning.
Michael, this is good. I got a full disclosure. I'm really enjoying this because I eat the wings there, and it tastes like the wings, so that's a good thing. You mentioned competitive environment. There's a lot of competition right now in this industry. We've seen a pickup in deals. How promotional is it out there, and how are you responding?
We're in a pretty unique spot this year in that, unlike a lot of other brands who are experiencing and navigating this inflationary environment, it's actually completely different at Wingstop. We're experiencing meaningful deflation. And so we're able to lean into that and maybe lean into that deflation and give it back to guests in the form of value. We launched a boneless bundle in the second quarter that was at a competitive price point, and we saw that reverse the trend in our sales. But then I think this chicken sandwich is a great example. We're able to offer that chicken sandwich a la carte at $5.49 or at a combo of $7.99, which includes fries and a drink, a really compelling value that we think not only is a great experience, but then it makes the consumer feel like their dollar's going a long way.
Michael, $5.49. I mean, I'm looking at these chicken breasts. These are huge. This is a hulking piece of chicken. Is this a profitable item?
It's actually really profitable. We were able to lean into some very deep strategic partnerships with our suppliers and negotiate pricing that puts the food cost for this item right in the sweet spot for our brand partners' P&Ls. And we think it's going to continue to just strengthen those unit economics, which are translating to yet another record development year for Wingstop. We're lining up and expect to end this year with unit growth of over 13% roughly, over 200 restaurants as we continue to expand this brand and offer more guests that amazing chicken sandwich.
The reality of the customer experience right now is it's not just kind of in-store at places, it's also via delivery, via apps that they may be ordering through. What have you seen in the data to really show where the customer appetites have been to come out with new products like this, but also where it may signal some of the other menu items that you bring to the table from Wingstop?
Wingstop's always been a brand that's been a front runner in digital sales in the digital space, and we're still at over 60% of our sales are digital. And what we've learned from the data and what we see from consumer experience is that they want to enjoy a shareable occasion, and that's where we play nicely. You can obviously lean into the bundle group packs that we offer. Our wings travel really well, and now we're adding to that this chicken sandwich, which travels extremely well, retains its temperature, and is a great experience after delivery. And we're seeing that really show up as we launch it nationally this week.
Mike, it traveled down my throat real good. I'm done, man. I mean, and that was just about a 5-minute segment. I'm done, and I got another one right here. We're going to town.
And he claims it's cutting season.
Yep.
Wingstop CEO and President Michael Skipworth joining us here.
Good job.